Today I have a very short project, and it better be short because I'm running out of battery. I just have to get my Dyson mounted on the wall. Because it's very awkward to be using it like this all the time. So I start by making sure my cable is relatively in its proper place, because it has been sitting off of the wall for entirely too long. Find a spot that seems about where I want it and put a mark. Then I can come along with my little box of drywall anchors. They came with the bit to drill into whatever you need to drill into. So that's that. Anchor goes to the wall. Couple of gentle tap taps. And the keen eyed among you might have noticed I did not bring a level with me. That is because gravity will level it for you. Now, if you want to get really fussy later on, these do have some lateral and vertical movement. You can adjust these two. But these are going to be a very temporary position for me, as this wall is going to get wallpaper stripped and a whole bunch of stuff done to it. This is actually my kitchen dining area right now. The screw is still in here. And I'm pretty sure the cable has come out of its slot. All right, last time. Still in there? Yep. And the last step. This power bar is terrible. There. Lights on, she's charging. So, I know a lot of people would prefer the very polished, very produced, very rehearsed, very everything is already ready in its place and nothing goes wrong and it's all clean and perfect the first time, but that's not really the kind of content I've ever wanted to create. I want to be able to show, even with someone as tremendously as experienced as me and sarcasm, you know, stuff is going to go weird. The cable's going to fall out of its little track and just like whatever, and you know, it happens to everyone. So if it happens to you and it takes another minute to pull the screw out and put the screw back in after your cable's set, don't worry about it. It's just, you know, stuff happens. Now let's see if I can have learned from that while I install my second one. So we'll pick an arbitrary spot on the wall. Boy, I'm sure making a lot of dust. I wonder, however, I will be able to clean it. Would be great if there was a machine that would clean up all of this dust for me. And when gravity doesn't do a great job, you know, just eyeballing can usually be pretty okay. This older one doesn't have the horizontal adjustment here and the vertical adjustment for the top one, so you do have to be a little bit more on spot. Milwaukee should sell this drill as a 2-in-1. Drill and hammer. Oh wait, they already do. Get it? Because it's got the hammer drill function. I'm hilarious. And I almost forgot again about the little track. So apparently I can't learn from this. Okay, on this one, that does not sit inside, that sits above. Good to know. Time. That's it. You know, a little bit of cleanup to do, but that's okay. Why do I have 2 of these? One I like to keep with the nozzle attachment, and the other I like to keep with the beater bar attachment. So now I have 2 Dysons above my mini fridge. I'm living my best bachelor life. See you guys all later when I actually get around to editing the video where I lifted my garage.